Welcome back again. Sorry na ako. Dito na lang ang we're going up to Illinois, Chicago. And check. 6:15. Yeah. We're going about to lipad-lipad na. Welcome back sa Galaan.
Turn right.
Dito tayo sa Illinois today.
At the stop sign,
Everybody.
turn right onto Airport.
Here, if they're going to reduce the price to a double bed.
So the
Leona cookies.
Breakfast and lunch na. Dito na kami sa diner. Kain muna tayo. This is mine. Buffalo pero pinili ko fried. Hindi royal. Kanya yan. Eh, hindi ko ang mga menu dito lang. Or where are we? And Springfield. Yan. Pangalan ng baseball is Springfield Lucky Horses.
Lights last gleaming, whose broad stripes in bright stars were so gallantly streamed.
We're here in Springfield, Illinois, the Lucky Horseshoe. That's the name of the team. This is Pennsylvania and this is the Illinois. Let's go! Ano to? Replay. Kasi kahapon din natuloy yung laro umulan or whatever happened this season here. So now, it's double games today until 6 in the afternoon. Maybe they're gonna done for 8 or whatever the time. But that's my update. I am here in the baseball game here in Illinois. Dumayo talaga kami, Zay. Bye.
Now back.
Good morning, second day in Illinois. So, ngayon mag-update tayo. Anong oras na? 11 na nga yata ngayon eh. I'm not sure. So, update guys. Lalabas kami, kain muna para breakfast. We're not gonna do anything for today. So, ang gagawin lang namin mag-relax. Kasi kahapon diba dumating kami dito. Ay, tumayo kami. Tumayo. Ang dami kong kwento. Nung pagising namin mga 3:30 in the morning and then forward already to airport. We flight come over here and then mga 8 something dito na kami. Okay, so mula pagdating namin sa airport, punta kami sa hotel, hindi pa available to accommodate kasi morning pa, mga 8:30. Sabihin lang natin almost 9 na siya. So we go to Springfield, 3 hours away from here. Alam nyo, wala kong tulog, biyahe, sa parking, kumain lang kami, hinintay namin until the game is open kasi nanood kami ng baseball sa Springfield kahapon, diba, sinama ko kayo sa laro. So karugtong ng vlog na to, yung nangyari kahapon. So, yan yung ganap namin. So, I need to relax kasi the rest of the day yesterday, like almost 12 hours, wala kaming tulog. So, nakarating kami dito sa aming hotel. Bumalik kami from Springfield. Umabot mga 3:30. Dito na kami. I really remember what time I went to bed. Like, 3:42, mga ganun. So, ayun lang. And we're going to eat na for our breakfast today. Samahan nyo kami. Good morning! We're going to find something to eat today. We're going to Arby's pala for our breakfast
At the
ngayon.
stop sign, turn left onto
Today.
Airport Drive. Then at the
Ikot muna kami saglit. Just quick ride. I have this.
The paper say it, not me.
They were here in Dairy Queen. Mag-ice cream naman kami dahil. Kay busog na, so kailangan ng himagas. So here, Dairy Queen. It's, I went for the order yan. Mag-ice cream naman para unting himagas.
Double chocolate. For your day.
Third day in Illinois. Guess what? Saan kami punta? Lipat kami ng Hotel Zay. So, tama nyo kami. It's really pretty and nice outside. Hopefully this day end up nice too.
Can I finish this? Do I turn here, babe?
Yeah.
Turn right.
We're safe. Another hotel.
A nice hotel.
Oh, it's nice here. Ganda. Ah, tour ko kayo. So, all my stuff there. That's trash bin. And then, when you enter the door, dito yung mag-wash ka ng face. Yan. And here, bathroom. It's all clean. Then the other one, hindi ko kayo na-tour sa kabila. Pangit man yan. It's all clean up. Oh, they have their own this one. Oh, niligo na ako pupunta dito, dahil. Oh, sa pa-hair ko. Nakapambahay agad. Diba? It's nice kasi tamo may vanity mirror pa yan. Tsara, wala namang ilaw. So, that's mirror lang. See? It's more nice. Fresh and smell good. See? That's my side. Biscuits muna. We're here in Alpine Dining Restaurant. It's really nice here. Quiet and not much. A lot of people and nice. Here pretty. Katabi lang siya ng highway. Kain muna tayo. Want to try out on a
Some crackers.
my small service of spaghetti.
You want to put this in?
Soup is done. And we have chicken steer, shredded rice. That's our lunch today. Eating. Sarap.
You want another chestnut?
Thank you.
Right, is everything tasting okay?
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful.
Kumain sa restaurant. We're here in Culver's. Ano naman himagas? Ice cream. Ganda ng mga flowers na entrance. The flowers. Thank you. We're here. Fort Illinois. We're order now. Wait for over more than 2 hours over. It's hot. Good morning. Today is July 1. Welcome July. And now we are here in Hindi ko na maalala ang lugar to. Basta Illinois. And we're close to 2 or 3 hours yata going to the city of Chicago. So, we're going left to Wyndham here, our hotel. Sobrang ganda. I like the shower, I like the room and everything. Ano kasi siya split type, and siya yung pinakamalaking room. Then, umalis din kami agad kasi one night lang kami. And why so early we get up? It's already I think 6 something ngayon, umaga. And punta kasi kami ng laro 10 o'clock ngayong umaga. Then after, we're going drive to 3 hours umaga doon papuntang City of Illinois. Sa Chicago, malapit. Dun sa city ng Chicago, malapit. So, dun na yung next ruta namin. Pagkatapos ng laro, mamaya, sasama ko pa rin kayo para quick view. Hindi man lahat ng laro, binidyohan ko or sinama ko kayo. Pero this time, sasama ko kayo para papunta dun sa city. Yung rotate na. Yung ruta natin dahil, di ba? So, ayun lang muna. Ang aga-aga di ba? Fresh na yan. Okay, I'll update you later, guys. Hi. What's that? This morning breakfast? This a free breakfast?
It's your breakfast to go.
Wow. That's nice.
Hopefully there's something in there you like.
Strawberry. Also strawberry, the same only. I have this, you have also.
Good. Well, you can have mine if you want. Ready?
And
A muffin. You can have a
Muffin.
muffin if you want.
we have free breakfast pa day. Okay, let's go. Good morning.
Oh, it is over here. Okay.
Higher airports.
People move.
Hi, welcome back. So, nandito na kami sa ball game. I don't know what's the name of this. Sa lahat na napupuntahan ko hindi ko alam ano ba yung lugar kasi paikot-ikot nga, di ba? So, ako narinig nyo ang lakas ng hangin. So, ilalagay ko na lang dito. Kung saan ako ngayon. Matutumba na siya. Harap ng Fog Park. Yan. Ganda may kalawang flower. Hindi pala. Yan. Dito wag ko sa harap ng baseball game. Lakas ng hangin. Ay, nako. Parang bata dito naglalaro mag-isa. May mga players nga din, diba? Sila tumingin sila pinagagawa ko. But, well, clear glass, ano yan? Ay, nako. Upo muna tayo. Tambay. Lang muna.
Batting eighth is the catcher, number 8, Robbie Ayers. Batting ninth, the second baseman, number 15, Trey Hondras.
Nakakatapos ng national anthem. And last week, buti napakaganda ng weather mga ayos na init. Eh, dahil mahangin. So,
Ooh, yeah. Yep. Over here.
we won!
Your econ parking lot over there. Find the banner. Cooking.
Yeah.
In 2 miles, take the US 30 east. Welcome to Indiana.
Welcome to Indiana.
Indiana.
In the diner. In order. First time ko dito. Lawak, Portillo's hotdog. Sino yung pangalan ng ano na to, shop or restaurant. Anong hotdog? Dito sa Portillo's hotdog is French fries and burger. Sa kanya naman beef yan siya.
You like it? Put your fries in there if you want it.
Good morning. We're going downstairs. Gonna eat for breakfast. We're here in Maryville, Indiana. Good morning. Bababa tayo. Gonna have breakfast here. This is the front desk. Welcome back again. It's 10:57 a.m. We're going up to Chicago. Doon na mismo malapit yung hotel namin dahil doon yung mismong laro namin malapit din sa may Juliet Stadium, baseball field, ganon. We'll see, dadali ko kayo doon tomorrow. But now, doon yung stay namin pero little bit closer by there. And doon yung pagpapanora naman ng laro for 2 days. So we're still here in Indiana. We're going a little bit out here and then there we'll come back to Illinois. So that's my update, and maybe we're gonna stop a little bit somewhere here for get something to eat kasi hindi pa kami kumakain. Ano kami konti pero wala masyadong pagkain kanina sa hotel. But then let's go. Samahan niyo ko sa another ikot-ikot na naman natin dito. Char. Welcome to Illinois.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come back to Illinois.
At the next light, use the left 2 lanes to turn left.
Ford Heights, 2,700 people. I wonder if this will come by that one. You get it?
Never felt a feeling quite as strong. Lock the door and turn the lights down.
I know you will still love me the same.
Fortilius pa din, pero dito na sa Illinois. Kahapon sa kami, Indiana, kumain dito. Ngayon, Illinois naman. The same pa rin, pero mas maganda ambience dito at mas malamig. So, dumaan na kami kanina sa aming hotel. And din yung hotel namin yung nakarang araw. Bumalik kami dito, Chicago. And we're gonna up to later sa game. But now, kain muna kami dito sa restaurant. Then, nakababa na kami sa hotel. Doon na yung gamit namin. Pinakaibabalik kasi diretso na kami sa Lloyd's. Sa Laro, it's an hour away from here. So, yung update ko, kain muna tayo. Kay gutom na ko, guys. Have the sandwich.
Okay, good.
Is that right one?
This looks like fish.
Yeah. Mine too. With a...
Somebody's too young to live like.
Already in the Wintrust Field. Ang maglalaro ay ang Schaumburg Boomers here in Illinois. White Castle, bro. Dinner. good. That sauce of the spaghetti.
Are you done?
Last one. Thank you. It's my second time having white castle.